Hi, I'm Dr. Syed Naseemul Alam, Associate Professor in the Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. It's my pleasure to let you know that my book Learn Simulink has been released. It is published by Texar Publication. Simulink is a widely used software for modeling, simulation and analysis. It has about 22% market share in this area. It's developed by the MathWorks in Natick, Massachusetts, USA. The book Learn Simulink is meant for beginners and also for professionals who want to learn Simulink right from the scratch and can also use this book for reference purpose. It has a large number of examples in it and illustrations in color. The examples included in this book have been solved by me in Simulink, and the results that are obtained from the simulations have been put in the book, so the students can see the real-time data and the results of simulations in the book. Simulink is integrated with MATLAB, and Simulink can run MATLAB, and MATLAB can script Simulink. So it comes as a package in its own. And Simulink is a block-based simulation platform. Simulink has a large library of blocks. Blocks can be pulled up from the library onto the model page by using the mouse. I'm always ready to help you out whenever you have any difficulties learning Simulink. You could contact me through email and I will be replying to you as soon as possible. This book has a large number of examples and illustrations in color so that it helps the reader to grasp the fundamentals and concepts of Simulink. So if you are using Simulink, you can try my book, and I'm very hopeful it's going to help you learn Simulink and build your models from the scratch. I once again thank Texar India for helping me in publishing this book. I thank their entire team for being so cooperative and helpful. I am very grateful to them. Once again, I hope that you have a wonderful time reading my book and learning Simulink. Thank you.